Hi everyone, welcome to this video tutorial. We've done with the home ribbon. Now we are moving to the insert ribbon. On the insert ribbon, we have the page and we have the catalog page. On the page, you can choose to insert a blank page after this, and you can choose to have a catalog page. When you have a catalog page, this will give you an opportunity to merge many documents or many pages on a single page. If you want to send information to different kind of people, you can create a single page and merge it here while you start sending it. Now, coming back to the insert, so we have the table. So we can insert the table. You can select from any of the list here if you are okay with the list of the numbers of row and column that are here, or you come to the insert where the system will give you the create table menu. So the numbers of row you want can be 12, while the numbers of column can be just 4. Then if you are okay, you click OK. Then here you have your table. So when your mouse change to this, that means you can click and drag to move the object to anywhere you like. And when your mouse is like this, that means you can use it to adjust the table height. So when you stay here and you change to this, that means you can use it to adjust the table width. All you need to do is just to click and drag, then you move a little bit, then it will move. Here we have the design. These are the layout, the other menu that are available for user to edit the table or to format the table. So now I'm going to walk you through the design. The first in the design, we have the table format. These are the designed table. If you are okay with any of the design, you go ahead or you click on auto table format. So if you are going to use this auto table format, it is advisable that the information needed are to be there so the system can just pick where to design for you. So in the for the sake of this video, I'm going to select this. So this is the design I choose. Here we have the field. So the table format I've designed through this field border and other stuff here. In order to save time, you can click from here, and if you want to design on your own, all you need to do is to come to the field and you start changing the color. But remember, you need to highlight. If you are applying to everything or applying to the header row, you need to highlight it first and do that before you move forward. So if you are going to format another place again, all you need to do is to highlight the place and change the color of the format to another color while you move on. Now coming to the border are the lines that surrounded the table from the upper to the inside, outside, or the line you can count as part of the table are the borders. So when you come to the border, we have the bottom border. You can decide to use the bottom border for all the table. Um, let's highlight the table like this and come to the border. I can decide to take out the line. It's still a table, but it's not having any line. So if I want to apply a line to certain area, maybe the top, I can choose this, or the left, or all places should be line inside and outside. And I can change the weight of the line, that is the thickness of the line. So I'm going to select this for, and I'll come here to apply that to the table. So in this aspect, I've changed it. Then I'm going to put all border, and when you see the line is now more thicker and bolder, and the line color is in blue. So let's change the line color to red. So I need to click it here and come here, then give instruction to all border, and now they are in red. Can you see? So these are the things you have in the design. And before we move forward, when you are designing, your table, you still have other options. If you want to insert a word art in a cell or a column, so just click on this, then start doing your stuff as you can see. So I'm going to the next column and select this, and I'm going to start putting my stuff, and it's here with the color selected, and all these can be formatted to your desired color. All you need to do is to come here, select the color here, and the outline color of the design can be changed as well to any color, and the color and the text design, you can decide to put the shadow, and you can decide to use other formatting style. Now moving forward to the drop cap. The drop cap is very important, especially when you're working with Microsoft Publisher, because Publisher is very good at noise letter. So if you want the first cap to come in the bigger form to the other cap, all you need to do is to come to the drop cap and select your dosa. So all you need to do is come here, pick any of the formatting of the drop cap, and in this regard you can choose to use two letters drop cap or more letter. Before we move forward, I'm going to copy and paste a little some text here and do the formatting. So here I've pasted the text, and with this red line, the system is telling me that the text pasted has overflown. Then I need to adjust the width and height of this text box, or get more text, or get more text box to link to this. To link to that, you can click on this, and you all you need to do is to split the cup here. So here I have this has been linked to this. Now let's do the formatting. So I'm going to do now what I'm going to do is to pick the first S in this Samsung, then come to the drop cap. So that you want to select, if I'm okay with this, I'll go with this. If I'm okay with this, I'm going with this. And if I want to use a custom, then I can decide to increase to the 4 letter or 2 letter. This is the size of the letter, so 2 line height is okay, and the numbers of the letter to change to that bigger size can be increased to this, and it can be reduced to 1, and you can change the color here as well. And this is the position can be dropped like this, I think it's okay, or can be up like this or like this. So I think I'm going to go with the drop. So this is what I got from there. Now moving to the number styling. So if I want to change the style of the number of this particular text, you can choose from here. You can see these are the prototype of the number style. The same thing go for this. So if I want to change or select any of the ligatures, so I'm going to select from here. So let's highlight. Yeah, look for, okay, let's not look at all to be assigned to this. Now going back to the insert, we've talked about the table. Now we're moving forward to the picture. So see you in the next video tutorial.